Hello, I'm going to do a quick video here of the lifelong office chair wheels. This is the package, how it comes, and I'm going to replace these wheels with these spiffy ones, and I'll show you how this rolls first. So now the reason I'm changing them out is because I don't want to damage my beautiful hardwood floors. So these look more like roller skate or rollerblade wheels, and they're like rubber, so they don't ruin the floors. So I'll show you what it looks like after. Just give me a sec. So now they're on right here. Hi there. And you can see this is how quiet they are when you turn it. Can't hear anything. So I'll flip it up. And this is how smoothly they move now that they're done. So I'll just push it and they just roll. And I like hardly even pushed it at all. So quiet, smooth moving. Yeah, really nice. So you can see them. Really like them. I've replaced these for all the office chairs in my house. Anyways, hope you found this video helpful and have an awesome day. Bye.